So hello everybody, welcome to 25 Days of DAX Fridays challenge. This is day 4, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, you have all the rules down below in the description box. Go and check it out. It's not too late to get started. So if you need help with day 4, this is the video. Let's get started. Okay, so what is the average unit price for our products? So you might think that this is harder to do, but it's not. Let me show you. So we're going to do it first without DAX. What we're going to do is to find our product name, put it in a table, and then we're going to get a unit price. But I want to have the unit price not as a measure, but the actual column, because I'm going to change the aggregation to average. And that is all you need to get the average price for your products. Easy, isn't it? So how do we do it with DAX? It's as easy. I will go to my measure table. This is perfect for measure tables. Day 4. And I'm going to do the average of our unit price, product unit price. I'm going to put it as a card. And there we have our $28.87. Okay. Now, if you move this thing around, you might get into trouble. But if you just want to know the average, this is it. It's not harder than this. Okay. So tomorrow we're going to use that average to do some calculations. So it's going to be a little bit harder, but you will fix it. Don't worry. How are you doing on the challenge? Are you getting everything right? Let me know how many you've got right so far. I will see you tomorrow with solution 5.